This is Genki 1, Lesson 10, Grammar Point 1, Comparisons and Superlatives. In Japanese, when you want to compare two things, it's different from when you want to compare three or more things or things in a group of items. There are different grammar constructions for those different usages. So when you want to compare just two things, the basic sentence pattern is A no hou ga B yori, and then your property. So at this point in time, your property will generally be an adjective, or even like a not adjective, suki or kirai desu, right? So you could say, I like A more than B, for example. The sentence I have here is basu no hou ga densha yori yasui desu. The bus is cheaper than the train. One interesting thing about this sentence pattern is that the order of the phrases is not fixed. So you can't rely on word order to necessarily understand what's happening in the sentence. You can say densha yori basu no hou ga yasui desu, means the same thing. The bus is cheaper than the train. It's also fairly common to leave out one of the phrases, like the yori phrase. If you are in the middle of a conversation and then you say basu no hou ga yasui desu, right? You're just saying the bus is cheaper, and it's inferred that you know that the comparison is to the train. When you want to ask about a comparison of two items, this requires a different sentence structure. So when you want to ask which is more property, A or B, it goes A to B to dochi no hou ga, and your property, and the sentence ending question particle ka. So, 電車と飛行機とどっちの方が早いですか? Right, which is faster, the train or a plane? There are some variations you can use for the question word. Dochi is which of two items. Dochi no ho could just be dochi by itself. Dochi ga hayai desu ka, which is faster. It could also be dochira ga hayai desu ka, or dochira no hou ga hayai desu ka. Dochira and dochira no ho are a little bit more polite sounding than dochi. When you want to compare three or more things, or compare a specific group of things, the way we do this is group no naka de A ga ichiban property. The example, 季節の中で何が一番好きですか? Is among the seasons, which one is your favorite? Or more naturally, what's your favorite season, or which is your favorite season? If you are going to list out the items to be compared, 英語と日本語と中国語の中でどれが一番難しいですか? You would do it that way. You still have that no naka de there. So this question is, which is the most difficult, English, Japanese, or Chinese? Notice how the question word changes between asking about a group and asking about specific items. So, 季節の中で何が, right? So when you're using a group comparison, question word is often nani. If you're listing out specific items, it's often dore. So dore also means which, but it's used for three or more items. And your question could also be another type of question word. It could be doko. 大学の食堂の中でどこが一番おいしいですか? For example, right? Of the dining halls on campus, which one is the most delicious? If you want to make a statement in the superlative, right, you can use your item, particle ga, ichiban, right, number one, and then your property, desu. So, ペットの中で何が一番可愛いですか? So, what among pets, what is the cutest, or what's the cutest pet? 犬が一番可愛いですよ. Dogs are the cutest. And that is Genki 1, Lesson 10, Grammar Point 1.